So I located a video of Kevin and I frosting cookies 2 years ago and making cookies at Christmas time. So I've just attached it for fun. Take a look at it. Tell me what you think and consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button. Come along.
Stop for a moment. There's still time. You're not late. You don't need to have it all figured out. Just show up.
We're frosting cookies, but it appears somebody's eating them also.
Broken.
It's broken.
That isn't the damaged one.
Eating the damaged ones, he says. So let's get these frosted. A candy cane. There we go. Kevin's doing Christmas trees. There's the red. Good things calling me, Kevin. It's from Tuscaloosa. Want me to put it in the voice now? It's from Florida. Don't worry. All right, now we'll do the white. Here. Frosting up all the sugar cookies. Along nicely. Look at that. Let's see one of your Christmas trees that you're doing.
Oh.
All done. Here we go. Kevin's doing Christmas trees. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? How many did you eat?
One broken one.
Just a broken tree?
Get out of my tree.
Hey. Find your branches. It's Florida. Can you give us hello? 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 Yeah, it's right there.
No, but I mean, 8 is plenty.
Yeah, no, them all wrapped up. So we're frosting cookies, and somebody must be eating another broken one.
I just broke it right now.
So here we go. There's the candy canes, the bells, and the Christmas trees are over there. And there's Kevin eating another one. He says it broke. So I suppose I should frost one and break it so I can eat it too, huh? What do you think? Okay.
I know that.
All right. Kevin's going to help me make cookies, right? There's Kevin. There's me. There's my belly, all full of flour. There's my mess.
There's my dick.
You need to stop. And there's 72. He's nasty. And there's 72 cookies, or 36 cookies in the oven right now. And those are done. We'll do some more with this dirty pig who's talking nasty. Where's Coach?
He's in there, Koji.
We got the tree up. Well, Coach is going to come to the kitchen and see if he can get anything.
Hi. Oh, it's a good voice.
So anyhow, we're getting ready for Christmas.
Ready for Christmas.
Ready for Christmases with this mess. Look at there.
Oh.
Hello. I want to thank those of you who subscribed to my channel this week. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my planet, please do so. I'm